I'm probably a good 130 miles to the southeast of those guys up there, man. I heard you talking to them. But you're doing your thing, man. Hey, 148, just thought I'd let you know that. Hey, 155 here in Texas, said it.
One, I'm trying. Come on, man. Chicken blocker, motherfucker.
Hey, roger that. Hey, 148, man. Have a super fine one again. Enjoy the rest of what the weekend brings. Hey, 148, 155 here in Texas.
Hello. Anybody got a copy of the radio? Hello.
Damn, Ratchet, you're blowing smoke in Texas, buddy. Oh, Ratchet, west side.
Got it all. That's why you need yourself if your throat's getting dry, you need yourself a 20-year-old Bosnian sitting there folding your sheets. I'll see ya. Bye.
I'm sure you're putting things... How about that none there?
Genesis 427, you gotta go.
Who was the family one we go to?
Hello there, Jumpin' Bean. Jumpin' Bean, 155 here in Texas. Says you're sounding good out here, man. You're doing your thing here in the Lone Star, 155 in the Bighorn.
See you later. I live in the walkaway, Mr. Machete. Bye.
All right, 357. Hey, you take it easy. Yeah, buddy.
Hello, Roger. Here's your radio. Hey, Roger, big homie, heard your radio around the Bighorn today. Put on your little Roger, big homie, go.
It's big, man, so we'll see what happens. Hey, take care, 357. You got that thing going. Hey, homie, you dropped them all on me up here in the greens.
You sounded all right, but you're squealing every once in a while, man. You better check your connections. Otherwise, it's sounding good.
All right, you bye. 104. Yo Creeper by East State. Got down and go.
357. And, I'll tell you what, I just on your place. It just totally got destroyed. And,
yeah, hey, Jumpin' Bean, man. You're always sounding good. And, hey, you're doing your thing here in Texas. I don't know about Budweiser Kid out there making those conditions, but you're sounding good out here in the Lone Star. Just thought I'd say it. Doing your thing, 155, Southwest Texas.
611, waving one more time.
611. 611.
Yeah, top of the Sunday, needle bender in the sand pile, 808 Colorado Springs.
Read yourself.
I got that
Bighorn, checking the mail.
27, Northern Cal. I'm out here reading the mail in this little unit in 77. Well, I tell you what, 357, we don't have anything up there this week. I've never seen,
All right, needle bender 502 in the Everglades. You looking real good around Colorado Springs.
Hey, gentlemen, man,
808 in a Mobile.
tornadoes and hurricanes and all that kind of damage and stuff like that, but never knew anybody that went through something like that. I bet you that was pretty wild. And that shelter in the nick of time, and I tell you what, the place just looked completely destroyed. I mean, absolutely nothing. Not a wall.
All right, needle bender, I'm waiting on Mother Nature.
Smoke. That's something else.
Oh, 808, you got some Mother Nature, no doubt. 122 letting you know.
That must be thing, Matt. I got,
Squeeze in there with this new breeze driver. I know 22, man. New breeze driver. Big star away from the Bighorn. And I can truck that for you. Come on.
Hey, 24. You know what I'm talking about?
Got a little bit rough that go around 808, but I just want to let you know I've been listening to that little talk show of yours. Hey, you take care. We got the gate rolling. 122 sliding back out.
You better watch out.
Take care.
right now.